Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
First, open the Alexa app on your phone and sign into your Amazon account. Make sure your Alexa device is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Check that you have an active Apple Music subscription and your Apple ID credentials available. Confirm Alexa firmware and the Alexa app are updated to the latest versions. Restart both your phone and Alexa device if you encounter connectivity problems. This preparation prevents setup errors and speeds the linking process. Open the Alexa app and tap the More icon to access settings and music. Select Music and Podcasts, then choose Link New Service or Enable Service. Find Apple Music in the list and tap Enable to use. A sign-in window will open. Enter your Apple ID and password to grant permissions. After signing in, follow prompts to confirm account linking and allow Alexa to access your Apple Music library. Optionally set Apple Music as your default music provider to simplify future voice commands. Begin testing by asking Alexa to play a specific song or playlist on Apple Music. Say, "Alexa, play me chill playlist in Apple Music," and listen for confirmation before playback starts. Use clear commands for control. Say pause, resume, skip, or set volumeto 50%. If Alexa does not recognize Apple Music, open the music settings and disable, then re-enable the service. Finally, sign out and sign back into Apple Music if problems persist for a fresh authorization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.